In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change or customize your keypad. Begin by launching your keypad and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!